We've got a almost brand new 2022 F350. We have another Stryker lift kit going on, doing a 4-link. Everything's gonna be black and milled. This is for a customer we've worked with a few times. We got some traction bars. We got our extended front drive shaft, center rear cradle, the front cradle, lower control arms, upper control arms, dual steering stabilizer, track bar bracket, got our rear blocks, upper coilover mount, lower coilover mounts for the front, rear reservoir mounts for the rear shock, front coilovers, rear shocks, front shocks, sway bar end links, a drop pitman arm, some blocks, new bolts, and the steering stabilizer shocks. Yep, got mine. We're gonna put the rear in first. We got our center cradle on. Put our traction bars on. Got the Stryker V1 dual steering stabilizer. Wheel lights look like they helped a lot lighting up underneath it. Since we went with 30, it was nice to have the wheel lights for the extra light instead of doing 40 of them. Everything's working as it should.